I want to show you something really so cool on this program. It's a generative AI program and it's on Android. And the reason I use this app specifically is that if you look at settings, if you go here to settings, it allows for speech input and speech output, which I work with working with children with special needs. The speech output is fantastic and speech input is good. But also for me, if I want to get information and I'm busy and I'm doing things, I really like the idea that I can say something and get information and then just have it read out to me. But the specific thing that I'm telling you right now about is this. I'm busy working on a camping list. And so I just want to show you how super easy it is using generative AI just to manage lists. List management is always a difficult thing. I feel like list management sometimes it just takes too long to actually make the list and to manage the list and to check off everything on the list. So sometimes I just will wing it. And if I'm going camping, then I'll throw things together and not actually use a list. But I thought I would try, this app is very new. I thought I would try using PowerChat AI. And this is what I did. So I said this is like talking to a person. I said to PowerChat AI, I'm busy putting together a camping list and I would like your help, please. I'm going to list the various things that I'm taking, and then I would like to have you categorize them and put them into a list format with one item per line. Here is the beginning of this list. So this is bedside stuff that I need to take. So what I did was I said to this program, the bedside stuff is thyroid medications, allergy medications, so on and on. And then I said to the program, please make those into a list with one item per line. So it did that. It put those onto each line. You can see it here. But it put it into a numbered list and it put words on. And I want to be able to quickly send this to Google Keep, because that's how I make my lists in Google Keep. So then I said, I want the same list, but without numbers and no additional words on the list. I just want to copy and paste the list and I want no additional words. So, ta-da! Look what it did. It gave me this fantastic list. And this list is perfect. It did say the word pins instead of pens. So what I said was, I made a mistake. What I wanted to say is the word pins should be pens. So then the program said, okay, no problem. Here's the corrected list. And it put the word pens in correctly. I know it's a small little error, but I just want to show you the power of this program. There could have been 6 words that were incorrectly spelled or incorrectly recognized. I just want to show you how this whole narrative to and fro discussion with this program, it's really like a kind of a chatbot, allows you to, with your words, just make changes on the list. So then I said, again, I want the list with the title, and I just want the word title, bedside stuff, and no other words, and the list only with the title. So then it said, apologies for the confusion, because the program is always very polite and it wants to tell you that it's sorry. And so it gave me the list, but again with the words. So I said, please take out the extra words that you put on top about the apologies. I just want the list with the title, please. So then I can take this list, because it now did it correctly, and I can say share, and I can put it on Google Keep, and I hit save, and that's it. It's on my Google Keep already. So now I went on. So that's all the stuff that I was packing for bedside stuff. Then I go on and I say, I'm creating a packing list with all of my toiletries. So here's a list of toiletries. I want you to put each item on a separate line, and then there should be no numbers. I do not want a numbered list. In fact, I would like you to categorize the list into the different categories of these items, and no other words on the list, just the title toiletries, and then the list of the words and the list of the items with no numbers. So then I gave the list. Here are the items: toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, on and on. So then the program gave me the list toiletries, and so I can click on this, hit share, and I can send it to Google Keep. There it is. Those are my toiletries. Then I said, oops, I forgot some additional items. Here are some additional items for the list. And so look how cool this is. I didn't have to give it the instructions again. I did not have to again say, I don't want additional words. I don't want the numbers. It gave me the next list. So now I can hit this and I can hit share and go to Google Keep. There you go. There's my list in Google Keep. And So here are some additional. It's added these additional things on here. So I wanted to show you this. This was kind of funny. I was dictating these words very quickly. And I said hand wipes, wet wipes, but it recognized wet wipes. So I said, no, that's not what I want. I want wet wipes. Then I said, I was trying to find the words for earplugs, and I actually couldn't think of the word really quickly. So then I said to this program, what are the things you put in your ears to stop noise, to cancel the noise? I don't remember the name, but put those on the list. So look what happened. It puts them on the list at the bottom as the word earplugs. I did not say the word earplugs, but I said, oh, what are those things? So then I can click on this and share, and I can send that to Google Keep. Then I said, is there anything that you think I missed on that list for toiletries? What additional things should I take? So this is awesome. The program says, here are some additional items. And then I said again, I want the list. I don't want the additional words. When this goes to Google Keep, I do not want to have to go and take out the extra words that I don't want. So then it gave me this whole list, including the things that I put on. And so now this is a whole long list that the program has put together for me, including the things that I put on. So now I'm going to hit share, and I'm going to go to Google Keep Notes and hit save. Now let me tell you something that's really cool. I did all of that really quickly. Literally, as I was packing things, I was just dictating them onto this program. And you'll see that I was actually dictating them with this little dictation icon down here. This is the icon that I was using down here. I'm now going to take away all of that text. I was not using this icon because this icon is for really brief, it's for very brief text, and when you stop talking, it's going to stop listening. So it's now, see, it's listening immediately. It's doing something else now. It thought I was asking for something, so I'm going to just ignore that. But I want to show you something super cool here. If I now go to Google Keep, look how cool this is. I can go to Google Keep and I can select all of these, and I know that there are duplicates. I absolutely know that there's a lot of duplicates. So I'm selecting all of my Google Keep notes. I'm going up here and I'm going to say copy to Google Docs. What it's going to do is it's going to put all of those notes into one Google Doc. I can easily go and select all of that. Oops, I can go and say select all, and I can say copy. And then what I'm going to do, what's this? This is so exciting. It's amazing how this will speed up your list making and list management. I'm going to go back to PowerChat AI. And what I'm going to do is I'm going here to PowerChat AI and I'm going to say, this is a list of the toiletries that you helped me create, period. I know that there are duplicates, period. Please clean this up, period. Clean up this list, period. One item per line, period. I would like it if you could categorize these items, period, and take out all the duplicates, period. I do not want a numbered list. And also, I do not want any additional words on the list, period. Just the list, period. So I pasted the list, and let's see what it does. Look at this. Well, currently it's only toiletries and then stuff from the bedside. So there you go. I will probably post another one about some other list making ideas. So now what I would do is I would select this because it has just the list and go and say share, send it to Google Keep, hit save. And then what I would do is I would then go to Google Keep and I would take out all of the old lists. And actually, I would have to take a look and see. I don't want to delete the one that's just coming in, and I'm not sure how soon it's going to come in. So right now, I'm just going to delete. I'm going to archive those just in case I need to get back to them. But there you go. great idea for making lists. Here you go. This is the final list. So I'm going to title this Final Toiletries. I'll just dictate it here. Final toiletry list. Cool, huh? Let me know if you do it, and if you have any other ideas, I'd love to hear from you.